Boatwatch Enigma to launch on 9th December in India at 2,999 rupees. Following its entry into the smartwatch segment with BoatStorm, audio equipment maker Boat is all set to launch its new smartwatch dubbed Boatwatch Enigma in India. According to the company, the smartwatch will be available to buy from the 9th of December. Boatwatch Enigma, specifications. Boatwatch Enigma comes with a 1.54-inch touchscreen color display and offers 3 ATM water resistance. Much like BoatStorm, this smartwatch will have a metallic build and a watch crown on the right side. Interestingly, it offers an always-on feature that enables the option to keep the watch's screen awake at all times. It goes without saying that the always-on feature will take a toll on the overall battery life of the Enigma. Coming to health-related features, the smartwatch offers SpO2 blood oxygen level monitoring and 24/7 heart rate monitoring. You also get support for multiple sports modes including running, walking, climbing, riding, basketball, football, badminton, and table tennis. Boat's activity tracker keeps track of daily calories, steps, and distance. One cool feature of the watch Enigma is the presence of smart gestures. With smart gestures, you can raise your hand to wake the watch, shake wrist to capture images and change watch faces, and long press the home screen to increase the brightness. Other smart features include music controls, weather updates, guided meditative breathing, and message notifications. While Boat has not shared the battery life estimates, the company teases an eco mode that puts all inactive features to sleep to extend the battery life. The exact battery life is something we will have to wait to find out when the company officially launches the smartwatch. Price and availability. Boatwatch Enigma costs 2,999 rupees in India, which is a 1,000 rupee bump from its predecessor. It will be available from the 9th of December on Amazon India and the company's official website.